Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the MUSETEX K2 ATX PC case. This case aims to deliver a premium aesthetic and a user-friendly building experience without breaking the bank. First impressions are strong. The K2 boasts a 270-degree dual-tempered glass panel, offering a panoramic view of your components. This is a definite step up from many cases in this price range, allowing you to showcase your high-end hardware and RGB lighting in all its glory. The spacious interior provides ample room for cable management, contributing to a clean and organized build. The front panel is equipped with a modern selection of ports, including two USB 3.0 ports and a Type-C port. This is a welcome addition, ensuring compatibility with the latest devices and offering fast data transfer speeds. The inclusion of a reset button and audio jacks rounds out the connectivity options. Inside, the K2 offers a well-thought-out layout. It supports GPUs up to 420mm in length, CPU coolers up to 178mm in height, and power supplies up to 238mm. This compatibility ensures that you can install most mainstream hardware without any issues. The case also supports up to a 360mm radiator on the top, providing excellent cooling potential for high-performance builds. The K2 comes with 3 pre-installed non-LED fans. MUSETEX has implemented an innovative air duct design, with side panel apertures and 2 pre-installed side fans drawing in cool air to dissipate heat. This design helps to maintain stable performance by effectively cooling your PC components. Attention to detail is evident in the design. Magnetic dust filters on the top and a power supply dust filter at the bottom help to keep dust out of the system, maintaining optimal cooling performance and extending the lifespan of your components. The rectangular structure of the case is both aesthetically pleasing and space efficient. The dual-tempered glass panels are not only visually appealing, but also durable and sound insulating, creating a comfortable environment for both office work and gaming. The MUSETEX K2 offers a blend of aesthetics, functionality, and value. While the included fans are non-LED, the case provides a solid foundation for a visually stunning and high-performing gaming PC. If you're looking for a budget-friendly case with a premium look and feel, the MUSETEX K2 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.